turn it as fast as you can. Or just stick.
This is a John Deere 1V cast iron hand crank corn sheller. It's 80 to 100 years old. It's cast iron and it works.
Alright, so we'll put some in.
So yeah. Here's the corn.
Turn it as fast as you can. Or just stick. Oh yeah, that takes a lot of effort. Come over here, Phil. And it'll take any size cob.
Spit some out over here.
Comes out the bottom and that's it.
So that's
As long
what?
as your arm don't fall off and get tired, it'll keep showing.
That's about 10 cups of corn. Pretty.
There's a little blower here that's just supposed to blow the chaff, you know, chaff up before, you know, like this stuff. It's supposed to blow a lot of that stuff off before it goes in. And this here thing around is spring loaded. So there is a little give to that finger there, so it'll expand and contract depending on the size of your cob. This little arm here. That's why you put small cobs or big cobs in there and it'll automatically adjust.
This is another one that he's gonna fix up. What?
$80 to $100.